What's up, you guys? This is Ike, and I'm going to be sharing a video with you all on how to put your iPhone 13 mini into iTunes recovery mode. First off, you want to start off by putting your data cable into your phone as well into your laptop or PC. Then press the volume up button once and release, and then the volume down button once and release, and then press your power button and continue to hold it. The screen will go off and the screen will appear, and you're finally in iTunes recovery mode. So this is basically how you put your iPhone 13 mini into recovery mode. I hope this video was helpful to you guys in some kind of way. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, you guys be safe, take good care of yourself, and have a blessed day.